Hi brush friends! In today's watercolor tutorial, we're going to paint a simple, loose, watercolor floral wreath that is perfect for designing your calligraphy quotes. All the materials that I am using in this video are listed in the description box below. If everything's ready, let's get started! We're not going to do complicated flowers. Instead, we will paint simple 5-petal flowers. In creating this generic flower, all you need to do is load your brush with pigment. Start with the tip of the brush and then drag the belly of the brush to create some nice thick strokes. And you don't have to worry about it if it's not perfect. We're now going to add leaves here and there. I'm trying to fill the empty spaces with leaves of 2 different shades to add more interest to the painting. This is such an easy, simple flower wreath, and you can paint along with me. when the wreath is already dry, we're now going to write our quote in the middle. The quote that we will be writing for this is, "She believed she could, so she did." This is a beautiful quote by R.S. Gray, and it is a powerful motivational quote for women that talks about a woman who believed in her heart that she could do it, and eventually, she did it. So stop thinking that you cannot do painting or calligraphy, because when you position yourself with the right mindset, everything is possible. If you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe for more amazing art projects like this. And we've finished this beautiful project. If you followed along this lesson, I'd love to see your works. Please share it on Instagram and tag me at 7brushstrokes for a chance to be featured on my IG stories. And if you have any specific requests or art challenges that you want me to try, just let me know by leaving a comment in this video. That's it for today. Always remember, there is a unique artist within you. See you in the next video.